mat Pilates has elements of yoga in it. They have similar positions that look the same and sometimes are taught similarly. Yoga tends to be a lot more transitional in its movement. You don't tend to do one exercise for a long time. You tend to move between positions and poses a lot more. Whereas in Pilates, it's got a little bit more of a kind of strength focus on specific areas before you move into full body integration. Whereas yoga tends to sit more on that full body integration right from the beginning. Pilates as well, you've got the complete other opposite, which is the equipment side. So the equipment side, most people know the reformer. You've then got the trap table or Cadillac, the ladder barrel, the spine corrector, the chair, and all of those use a system of springs which give you resistance, and that resistance can either assist your movement and encourage you to do more, or it can resist your movement and make it harder. What tends to happen is the really flexible people gravitate towards yoga. It's like a kind of self-selecting thing. And the people who are stiffer, a bit like me, tend to gravitate towards Pilates. What often would be really good is that stiffer people like myself would benefit from doing a bit more yoga. And the more bendy people who do yoga would benefit from getting more of the control and the like breaking that movement down and really looking at the mechanical side of it that you get from doing Pilates.
Why not check out these related videos? Thanks for joining us, everyone.